is the tallest building built around in CMC. This is a huge project in Ethiopia, which is so beautiful place. Like what you see here is top of buildings, which is high-rise buildings up to 20 floor. Here is so many finishing workers. So next time this place will be so good, and many people are live here. So now this is so kinds of area. I like top of buildings. So enjoy it. Thank you.